Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 16.
MathyMath number 16. So this is the problem you chose you wanted to talk about this morning. What was interesting about this problem to you?
Well, it had a new word in it, the range.
Oh, okay. You didn't know about range. Okay. Cool. How did you figure out what range meant?
I googled it.
Googled. Oh, good thing Google exists. All right. Well, how do you solve this problem?
Well, what I did to solve it is, where's the eraser? So mean, median, mode, and range are all 8.
Okay, and they're all positive integers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I did to solve it is you have
Okay.
so everything's 8.
Everything's 8. Mean is 8. What does that mean, that the mean is 8?
So the sum divided by 8 equals 8.
Okay. What about the mode is 8?
The 8 is the most frequently occurring number.
Okay, and it said that was unique. How about the median as being 8?
That means, well, in this case, it means the average of the two middle numbers is 8.
Okay, cool.
And the range being 8 means that the biggest number minus the smallest number is 8.
Okay. Awesome.
Well, we can try big and small numbers.
Okay.
Like we can go 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11. Well, in an ideal situation, if we could have the smallest number plus the biggest number be 16, then we can just fill the middle up with 8.
Okay.
So I think 12 was the first one that did that. You have 4 and 12.
Okay.
And then we can just fill the rest up with 8s. But is this the biggest one?
Oh, I see. You want their difference to be 8 and their sum to be 8.
But they're different. Their sums need to be 16.
16, yeah. How come the sum needs to be 16?
Well, because then I can just fill the rest with 8s.
Gotcha. Interesting. All right.
Just so it works. Well, 13 and 5 doesn't work.
Why not?
Because you have 13 plus 5 is 18.
Okay.
But you have 16 and 6. Wait, no, that 14 and 6.
Okay.
This is too big. But can this still work is the question.
Okay.
This means you have to change one of the 8s to a 6, and then it works. Because we have to change 2 8s to 2 6s.
And what happens here?
Well, now it works. Because 14 plus 6 is 20, and then you're taking the sum down by 4 here, because you're 4 too big.
Okay.
So this sum should work.
All right.
Let's see if it sums to be 64. 18. Yep, 64.
Okay. Another way you could have seen that is you've got 18 plus 14, which is 32, and there's 4 of them, so the average is 8.
Yeah, and then you have another 4 8s.
Okay. So if you put 14 in, you can fix it with 3 6s. Okay. Interesting. But how do you know that's the largest? Like, how do you know 16 wouldn't be able to work?
Well, because you're going to need smaller numbers. It would be 16 and 8.
Uh-huh.
And that's way too big. So you're going to have to put smaller numbers in to decrease the sum a bit.
Okay.
But they have to go behind the 8. So that the 8 isn't the least number.
Got it.
So this is the least one that satisfies.
Okay. No, that's good work. That's good work. This is a tough problem, and actually a very challenging problem, so nicely done.